Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to create Telegram link, and now let's dive right in. Now to create a Telegram link, first open up your Telegram app, guys. And on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon at the top left, and you'll be on this interface where you will be able to tap on the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings and you'll be on this interface. Now in order to create a Telegram link, guys, first you will be required to tap on the username option available for us over here just below the number or just above the bio. Tap on there and this kind of interface will appear where you will be required to enter your username or create your username. And you can see, guys, this username is available for us. If you are good with that, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen, and this way, guys, you will have your username created. And you can see, guys, this is your Telegram link as well, where it says the t.me/your username, and your Telegram link has been successfully created, guys. Now in order to send it to someone, just tap and hold on this section and it says the username copied to clipboard. Now in order to send it, open a chat box of a person to whom you want to send that link, and after opening your chat box of the friend to whom you want to send the link, tap and hold on the message section and paste on it and send it, and that link will be sent to your friend on Telegram. And the moment they tap on it, your profile will be opened over here like this, and they will be able to chat with you. And with that being said, guys, this is how to create a Telegram link. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.